third part, Mashiach and the Kabbalah. And as we stipulated in the earlier, the Great Pyramid being the basis of this knowledge. And we have to look at from whence the Great Pyramid got its knowledge. And we have to refer back to early Egyptian religion, around 5000 BC. And this is represented in the judgment hall of Osiris, he being one of the oldest gods, apart from Ra, of Egyptian religion. And we will relate the cosmos, the zodiac, to the judgment hall of Osiris. So we begin at the beginning, and in the papyrus of Ani we find here Ani with his wife, and this represents, they're both bowing. This represents the wife representing Neptune, and Ani representing the mid-heaven point in the zodiac. And in Jewish Kabbalah, this couple represent that, the knowledge and fear of the Lord. And this is seen here is Neptune, the wife, 18 degrees Sagittarius, and the mid-heaven point is Ani. These two are together, and they're together before they meet the judgment hall, the balance of the heart. And this is represented by three orbs. Here Uranus, Mercury and Venus, or Khert-Neter, Chokmah and Binah in Jewish mysticism. And in Egyptian mysticism we find that three orbs represented by the wane of the heart, by the feather of Mat, and the heart is represented of Binah, Venus, and Mat is represented of Uranus. And between Binah and Khert-Neter we have Chokmah, and here we see a small baboon representing a Thoth, the balance. And this is guided, this is overseen, the balance is taken place by Anubis, and Anubis is representative of Saturn. He is representative of Jewish mysticism, the unity of the law, the kingdom. And the results of this is written down by Thoth. Now Ani is then guided to Osiris, and here is Ani, and he holds the hand of Horus. Horus represents the sun, so therefore Horus is to meet Osiris in the judgment hall with Ani, and Horus represents the sun conjuncting Osiris, which is Pluto. And we see this in the zodiac, where the sun is in 12 degrees Libra, 21 degrees Libra, and Pluto representing Osiris at 19 degrees Libra in the 7th house. In the Torah, this is actually represented by Jacob meeting Esau, his brother Esau, and Jacob bows down 7 times, representative of the 7th house, which is Libra. And when he meets him, he states he has seen the face of God. Now here we have Osiris on his judgment seat, This is Pluto, and he is at the back of him is Isis, his wife, and her sister Nephelis. Isis represents Venus, and Pluto is in the 7th house of Libra, and Libra is governed by Venus. So the conjunction of the Sun, and here represented by Horus, with Pluto, here represented by Osiris, occurs in the 7th house, represented by Isis, Libra, the air. She is assisted by Nephelis. Nephelis was married to Zet, and Zet is the red one. And he is represented by Nazash, Mars, that squares the balance, 90 degrees. He is opposing the balance, but he is appeased by Nephelis, who represents Neptune. So here we have, in Egyptian cosmology, in graphic form, the cosmos at man's illumination. And there is no doubt that Moses understood this and transferred this to the Jewish mystic system known as the Kabbalah. This ends the third part of Mashiach and Kabbalah.